into the fascinating world of assembling and disassembling computers. Get ready to unlock the secrets behind the hardware magic as we explore how to put together and take apart the components that our digital world come alive. Let's embark on this journey to discover together. Before we start our assemble and disassemble components, to protect ourselves when working with computer components, wear an anti-static wrist strap. Ito po yun. Pwede po siyang sa kamay at sa paa. Then, kailangan po natin siyang sa may bakal. Then, turn off and unplug the power source. Then, ito po yung mga tools na gagamitin natin sa pag-assemble at disassemble. Assembly is an essential job of a computer installation technician. Computer assembly is a process in which all the internal components required for the computer system are fitted so as to make the computer functional. There is a proper sequence of attachment of each and every component into the computer system. Procedure for computing assembly. Step 1. Open the case. The first step in assembling a computer is to open the computer case. To open the case, first remove the screw of the left side cover. Then, the left side cover and slide the side cover. Install the power supply. Ito po yung power supply. Then, the next step is to install a power supply. There are usually 4 screw. Ito po yung 4 screw. Then, that attach the power supply to the case. Alisin po natin yung screw.
Step 3. Attach the component to motherboard. The motherboard has to be prepared before it's installed. To be prepared, the motherboard, you first need to install the CPU, then the heatsink on the CPU and the CPU pan. Okay. Meron po tayo apat na tornilyo po dito at i-connect po natin sa heatsink ng CPU pan. At ito pong wire, ito po yung pag-connect natin sa CPU pan para gumana po itong ating CPU pan niya. Okay. First po, mas maganda po na unahin po natin itong wire para mag-install na po tayo ng tornilyo. Then tools. Isa-isa po. One. Installing the RAM. To installing the RAM, first on the motherboard and then fix the motherboard in the case. To install the RAM, first ensure it's compatible with the motherboard. Meron po tayong iba-ibang klase ng RAM na sabi nga po sa sinabi ko, meron po siyang compatible na kanya-kanya. Ito po yung ating RAM. Maging aware po tayo dito dahil huwag po natin hawakan yung sa ilalim kasi maaari pong ma-damage po siya. Then, ito po yung pagkukunika ng RAM. Bago nyo po ilagay, siguraduhin nyo pong naka-open itong kanyang dalawang gilid. Then, dahan-dahan po. Pag nailagay nyo na, make sure na pantay po ito para wala pong masamang mapangit na mangyari sa motherboard. Then, sabay nyo pong i-clip. Okay na.
Connect all internal cables. Power cables are used to distribute electricity from the power supply to the motherboard and other components. The cable transmits data between the motherboard and storage device such as hard drives. Meron yung sinatawag na power supply unit na i-connect sa power supply. Meron din po tayong ibang uri ng cables ilalagay sa motherboard. Ito yung isa.
External cables to the computer. Una po natin connect itong VGA. Dito po siya. Tapos ating higpitan. Tapos lahat po ng USB type natin para ito sa connector sa mga camera, monitor, at saka speaker natin. Dito po kahit saan po sila. Tapos ito naman po, para sa ating power supply.
Procedure for the computer disassembly. Disassemble is the process of the breaking down of device, the separate parts. Material required. One working PC. Isa natin po ay anti-static wrist strap. Pwede po natin dito ilagay sa kamay at pwede rin po sa paa. And ang isa pa po natin kailangan laging gamitin para sa pag-assemble. Procedure for the computer disassembly. Step 1. Unplugging. Unplug the power cord from the PC. Next, unplug all the peripheral attached to the computer such the keyboard, mouse, and monitor and headphones. The case. First, remove the screw of the left side, cover the side. Step 3. Disconnect all the connectors. Disconnect all the connectors connected to the motherboard. This include the SATA power cable and data cable of HDD as well as SATA cable of optical drive.
Remove the pan now. This is at the power supply. Remove the force screw. First.
Remove the random access memory. Last step, reassemble the component. Identify every component and take its photograph. After identification of each component, pull all the components back in their place and ensure that all cable and wire are connected at the right place to avoid future troubleshooting.